everyone, welcome to Wanderlicious India YouTube channel. So as you know, we are exploring Bangalore alphabetically. So today's letter is I. For I, we have come to IKEA in Nagasandra. So to reach here, you can come in metro, Green Line metro. So beside the metro station only, you have a pathway to enter into this. I'm very excited to shop here because IKEA is my favorite brand and I'll be shopping online. So it's a good experience to come and see in person and then check out how the products are in real. So yeah, let's go.
It's a little tip if it's your first time visiting IKEA. The restaurant is located near the entrance and you will reach it again after exploring all the showroom sections. Since IKEA has countless sections showcasing different home setups and products, it can easily take a few hours to walk through everything. So plan your food break accordingly. The first thing that caught my attention was the living room section. IKEA had sofas in every style you could imagine, from compact designs for small apartments to spacious, cozy sofas perfect for family movie nights. Out of all the living room displays, this one was my absolute favorite. The warm lighting, comfortable sofa and beautiful decor made it feel so cozy that I honestly didn't want to leave. It felt less like a showroom and more like a home I'd love to come back to. Next came the storage section, proving that organizing your home doesn't have to be boring. There were clever storage ideas for almost every corner of the house, from wardrobes and cabinets to shelves and organizers that help make even small spaces feel bigger. And then came my favorite section after the living room, the kitchen and dining area. Everything was beautifully displayed, making it so easy to imagine your dream kitchen. From cookware and dinner sets to glasses, cutlery and every little kitchen essential you would think of, they had it all. Fair warning though, you will probably walk in for one bowl and somehow leave wanting to replace your entire kitchen. Moving on to the bed section, we found a great collection of beds in different sizes, styles and finishes. Whether you prefer a modern look or something more classic, there were plenty of options to choose from. It definitely gives you a lot of inspiration when planning your dream bedroom. And then I came across this stunning walk-in closet, and I have to admit this is exactly what I dream of having in my future home. And then we reached the kids section, which was honestly impossible to walk through without smiling. After exploring all the sections, we stopped by the IKEA restaurant for a quick bite. I loved onion rings and dessert there. You must try it. Next, we entered the self-service warehouse and honestly, I was amazed. It was my first time seeing products stacked this high. It almost felt like walking through a giant warehouse. It was definitely one of the most impressive parts of this store. Overall, IKEA is much more than a furniture store. It's a place where you can find inspiration, explore beautifully designed spaces, and spend a few relaxing hours with your friends or family. If you're planning a weekend outing in Bangalore, I definitely recommend adding IKEA to your list. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Wanderlicious India. See you in the next one.